Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn about trial balance in a very simple way. By the end of this video, you will understand what trial balance is and why it is important in accounting. So, what is trial balance? A trial balance is a list of all the account balance of a business. It shows both debit and credit amounts, and it is mainly used to check whether the accounting records are correct. Now, let's look at why trial balance is important. It helps us to check if all the accounts are balanced. It also confirms that total debit is equal to total credit, and it helps us detect error early in the accounting process. A trial balance is usually presented in a table format. It contains three main parts: the account name, debit side, and credit side. This format makes it easy to compare both sides, whether they are balanced. It shows the accuracy of both sides. Let's look at a simple example. Cash is debited with 50,000 naira. Equipment is debited with 20,000 naira. Capital is credited with 70,000 naira. When we add everything together, both sides are equal. The most important rule is that total debit must always be equal to total credit. If they are not equal, it means there is an error somewhere in the record. Now, the common mistake. Some common mistakes include forgetting to record a transaction. Another mistake is placing an amount in the wrong column. Also, errors can happen during calculation. So, we must always be careful when preparing a trial balance. To summarize, a trial balance helps to check the accuracy of accounting record. It lists all their accounts and their balance. And most importantly, total debit must always equal to total credit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.